Hello Internet, in this video I will show you how to replace a water pump in a 2010 Toyota Corolla. This is a 1.8 liter. Now this will also cover model years 2008 through 2013. Keep watching. Welcome to Scott's Garage. Welcome literally to my garage. Whether it's working on a daily driver or a project car or a project around the home or the yard or the patio, a pallet project, Scott's Garage is a place for do-it-yourselfers. Everything is do-it-yourself. Welcome to my channel. Okay, the radiator fluid, the coolant's just finishing draining out. There's a valve there to open up to drain it. I have the side open here. I took the plastic cowling off, so you can see everything right there. Okay, we moved to the front of the vehicle now. I've never worked on a Toyota before. There's no tensioner on the belt. Everything is controlled by this bolt on the alternator. It tightens the belt. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to loosen this bolt. It's a number 12 millimeter socket. Okay, now I can loosen this one here. There we go. Just taking a video of the belt here before I take it off. So it goes around the outside here, around here, and then it backtracks around the pump here. The flat side here goes around that. So there are 5 bolts. I'm going to try to remove the water pump without removing the alternator. I think I can have enough room. And it looks like at least 3 of them are a number 12. So we'll just get in there and loosen them. Okay, you can stop it. Okay, that's that. Okay. Put a deep well socket on there. There we go. Okay, I'm taking out the last bolt here. Now, let's see if we can, there it is. And I'm just going to go down, there it is. Okay, so we're going to take the old gasket out. Just use a simple pick. You don't want to damage any of the metal around it, and the pick will just loosen it up to pull it out. There we go. Alrighty. Okay, here's the old pump. And notice that the housing, the metal part is pretty thin right there. And then the new pump, it's thicker. Therefore, it came with 3 new bolts that basically replace these are the shorter bolts. There's 5 total, there's 2 long, and there's 3 shorter. but you need to use the slightly longer, shorter ones because the casing is longer. And also the gasket here, you don't need any sealant or anything. These are designed simply to push in place, and it butts up right to it, a nice tight fit. Okay, we got the belt on correctly, and so now we're just going to tighten this, and it'll put tension on everything, and we should be good to go. So used to belt tensioners. There's no belt tensioner on this, but this works just as well. Just going to double check, make sure the belts didn't slip. Oh, we're good. You don't want it too tight. I think we're probably pretty close. Okay, be sure to tighten the bolt here, 12 millimeter. And check all the other bolts. Okay, a couple of things here as I'm wrapping this up. For one thing, did not have to take the alternator off. You can easily work around it, it's no problem. It's great having the wheel off, and from the side, just take the plastic cover off there. Plenty of access there. And relatively easy job. I would say it took me about an hour. Now we're going to put the coolant in and fire it up and check for leaks. Okay, so we've had it running here for a little bit, no leaks. Sounds really good. Got the air conditioner kicking in there, and so everything is great. If you got any value from this video, please give me a like, 30 hands and all. This is Scott with Scott's Garage, and as usual, have a great day.